Going to look at some more stuff on quadratic equations. So let's talk a little bit here about some rules about the graph with A, B, and C if we're looking at standard form. If A is greater than 0, the parabola, or if A is a positive number, let's go to the right spot. There we go. Positive. Oh. I love technology sometimes. Okay. A is a positive number. We'll just put it positive. The parabola opens. If A is less than 0, and A is a negative number, the parabola opens down. Okay, the parabola is blank, then y equals x squared if A is, this is not important. The line of symmetry is always the x value of the vertex. X value of the vertex. The x coordinate of the vertex is always the line of symmetry. Not sure why we're saying this twice, but okay. Plug in the x coordinate of the vertex into the equation and the y coordinate to determine the y coordinate. The blank is always C. Choose one more x value to do this. Okay, so let's talk about this. The A value here is 1. The B value is -2. The C value is -3. It's positive, so we know it opens up. Width blank then as y equals x squared. So let's look and see if we can discover some of these rules that we're talking about by putting it in the graphing calculator. So let's put x squared minus 2x minus 3 in here. So we're going to go x squared minus 2x plus 3. Okay, minus 2x minus 3, excuse me. Let's change that. Okay, so we're looking right here at what this does. All right, so the width then blank as y equals x squared. I'm not sure what they're looking for here. The width doesn't change, it's the same. It's the same. The width is the same. And we can see this by also graphing y x squared. Okay, did my width change? Let's see. So it looks similar. See, the x coordinate of the vertex, x equals -b over 2a. So we're going to take -b, which is 2, over 2 times a, which is 1, and we're going to get 1. So the line of symmetry is 1. The y coordinate, we're going to have to plug it back in. So we're going to get y squared minus 2 times 1 plus 3. So 1 squared is 1 minus 2 plus 3. 1 minus 2 is -1 plus 3 gives us 2. What did I do wrong here? Because you can see that my vertex is 1, -4. So I've got 1, I plug it in. 1 squared minus 2 times 1. Oh, it's -3. Why do I keep putting plus? That's going to change everything. -3, -3. And I'm going to get 1 minus 2 is -3. minus is -1 minus 3 more is -4. That looks better. 1, -4. Okay. The y-intercept is 0, c. So my c value is -3. Okay. So let's go ahead and plot some points. We know we can plot 0, -3. That's where it's crossing the y-axis. We can plot the vertex is 1, -4, right here. So I know that this is on the other side. So I want to do the other side, so I want to pick 2. So I'm going to go 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 3. I'm going to get 4 minus 4 minus 3, and I'm going to get -3, which is what I want for number 2. Because then I know I get this lovely U shape right there. Okay, so let's try that again. So here my A is 3, my B is -6, and my C is 2. I know the direction it goes is up because A is a positive number. Now, what is the width going to be? Let's see what happens. We're going to plug this in to find the vertex. So I'm going to go -b, which is 6, times 2 times 3. 6 divided by 6 is going to give me 1, which is also the line of symmetry. So I've got the x value of my vertex. I want the y value, so I've got to plug it in. So I go 3, instead of x squared, I'm putting in 1, minus 6 times 1 plus 2. So I get 3 times 1 squared is 3, minus 6 plus 2. 3, we get -3 plus 2, we should get a -1. Okay, the c value is where it crosses the y-intercept, so that is 2. So let's see what we've got here. We've got 1, -1, and we've got 0, 2. So let's try the opposite side. Let's try 2. So let's plug in 2. So we're going to get 3 times 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 12 plus 2. We end up getting 2. Okay, so we get 2, 2, which totally makes sense because it should be the same y value as the number on the other side. The blank or the blank y value of coordinate function can also determine from its equation. Yeah, I don't think that's that important. Let's see here. I think we should try at least one more example. So we've got -3, -12, and +10. Okay, it has a minimum or a maximum. This is going to have a maximum. How do I know? Because I know it opens down. Because it has a negative value. Okay, the vertex for the x-coordinate, we're going to get 12 over 2 times 6. So that's going to be 12, 2 times 3, -3. So I'm going to get -6, which is going to give me -2. So my x value is -2. So now I'm going to plug it into this equation. I'm going to go -3 times -2 minus 12 times -2 plus 10. So I'm going to get 6 plus 24 plus 10. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, plus 10 more is 40. So the blank y value is, I don't know why it asked for that. Okay, now it says you try one. So you can try this one. And then there's here where you're just telling what the A, B, and C is for practice. And then we're finding the vertex for these. And then we're going to do this whole thing with showing your work and doing these on your own. So we'll do some more of this in class, but here is the start of 8.3 with standard form.